Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to permanently delete the photos and videos in this device. So tap on the option gallery. Now let me show you. So here I am going to delete these photos. So I selected, you can say 8 photos I selected. Now let me show you how to permanently delete these photos and videos from your device. Okay, now after select the photos or videos that you want to delete from your device and then tap on the option delete. Whenever you delete any photos from your gallery, it will automatically store to the recycle bin. Tap on the option move to recycle bin. Now tap on the three lines at the bottom right tab. Tap on recycle bin. So here you can see that deleted photos you can see here. And from here we can permanently delete the photos or videos. Okay, and these photos are saved up to 30 days in the recycle bin, and before that also you can delete. So here I will show you. So I am going to again select all these 8 photos. After select the photos or videos that you want to delete, after that you can see 2 options at the bottom tab, restore or delete. If you want to restore this photo, you can simply tap on the option restore. If you want to permanently delete from your device, then select the option delete. Tap on the option delete. You can see permanently delete 8 images. Tap on delete. Okay, that 8 photos are permanently delete from this device. So simply in this way we can delete permanently delete the photos or videos from this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.